Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I am so excited to be sharing an unboxing of two magical pieces from Make It Mini by Ashley Wolf. I am so excited to share these with you. Both of the pieces have been on my wish list for such a long time, and when I saw my friend Christine and Lily wearing them, I got extra tempted. And then I was blown away because Ashley actually contacted me and asked me if I would be interested in styling two of the jewelry pieces. So both of these were gifted, and a huge thank you to Make It Mini, but also to this community, as I would not have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. Now, if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I am having some delicious green tea from David's Tea. It is so good. So virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. Make It Mini by Ashley Wolf is whimsical jewelry inspired by magic. So if you love Disney like me, this is definitely a jewelry collection you'll want to check out. I love that Make It Mini is a small business. She's based in California, actually, and I love checking out her Instagram. She's usually always at the parks, and her styling too, like her outfits and everything. If you're looking for Disney outfit inspiration, so much fun to check out. The first item I'm going to be sharing with you is called the Who Are You earrings, and these are made of 925 sterling silver with 18 karat gold plating on them. They're super shiny and beautiful. And I have to be honest with you guys, I discovered these earrings. I think these earrings actually were the first things I discovered by Make It Mini. And I believe I discovered her Instagram, I think it was in 2021. So I've been long debating about getting these. I believe it was 21. It's possible it was 2022, but I think it was 2021. I'm trying to remember. But needless to say, I've been really thinking about trying out this jewelry for a while. And I got so excited about these earrings. Now, they're a beautiful statement piece, perfect for Disney bounding. And if you guys follow my Disneyland adventures, I have a bunch of vlogs right now going on of my recent trip to Disneyland. You will know that Alice in Wonderland, the dark ride, is my favorite Disneyland ride. And when you're waiting in the little queue to get in, oh my gosh, they have all these little whimsical like leaves and trees and like all the Wonderland vibes. And these earrings look just like it. And I am obsessed. I love the gold. Looks so pretty, and it's actually going to match the ring that I'm going to share with you guys in a little bit. But they're such a lovely statement piece, super shiny, and they work great with an Alice in Wonderland inspired outfit, Disney bound. So as you can see, I'm actually wearing a blue and white dress, a yellow headband, kind of channel my Alice in Wonderland vibes. So I just love these earrings so much. Now the next item is a ring, and this ring has also been on my wish list for forever. And it is inspired by my favorite Disney princess. Now, I have always loved Princess Jasmine ever since I was a little girl. And as an adult, I get so much inspiration from her still, especially when the live action Aladdin movie came out and her song, sung by Naomi Scott, Speechless, came out. It has inspired me so much, and it's been such an encouraging song. And as some of you guys know, I did announce it on my Instagram, I'm actually going back to school this September. This ring for me just represents this exciting new chapter of using my voice, getting out there, making my dreams happen, and I'm just so excited. So this ring is extra special because I had been wanting to get it as a special going back to school ring, and just, oh, it's just such an amazing, like I just couldn't believe it. Now, the ring, you guys, is absolutely gorgeous. It is so stunning, and it's a beautiful size. I love that it's like a crown shape. It is so pretty. It is available in 3 different color options, and I forgot to say, so are the earrings. You can do the gold, the silver, or the rose gold plated. So I got the hypoallergenic, a 925 sterling silver and 18 karat gold plating, and it features this beautiful dark aqua cubic zirconia stone at the center that definitely looks like Jasmine's outfit that she wears in the movie, and it really catches the light. I love the sparkle. You can also find the 925 in the inside of the ring as well. As you can see, it is just so beautiful. I just love how it looks on. I love how it catches the light. And it's like just big enough that it's almost a statement piece, but then it's also kind of has a dainty feel to it as well. And I just love it. Make It Mini has also more Disney princess inspired rings, as well as other wonderful magical inspired jewelry pieces. They might even have one after your favorite Disney ride, so definitely check them out. Now, in terms of care instructions, she recommends using warm soapy water and a polishing cloth to clean your jewelry items. And obviously, as you guys know, especially with plated jewelry, especially, but just in all types of, sterling silver and gold jewelry, don't wear it when you're working out or cleaning or all those types of things, especially with the plating. Now, my friend Christine at All in the Dangles has the Rapunzel ring, and she's had it for quite a while, and she says the plating has held up so well. So I'll keep you guys posted on how it works for me, but the quality, oh my gosh, it is absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited to continue to wear this ring, you guys. I love it. So a huge thank you again to Make It Mini Ashley. I love these pieces, and I'm so excited for you guys to check them out too. I'll leave links to both items in my description bar of this video, and definitely to her Instagram as well as if you're looking for any inspiration. But anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I'm wishing you a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.